All right, today we're going to be patching a leaky front load washing machine door seal. So here's the front load washing machine in question. We notice it leaking water on the floor. When we look closely at the door seal here, right here, you can see there's a puncture. I had found a small pebble, like a piece of gravel, that was down inside here, and I think that might have been what caused that. So you got two choices: either replace the entire door seal or patch the door seal. Safety first, make sure you turn off the power, and I'm going to lock it out so nobody can plug it in while I'm working on it, just to be safe. Here's the products we're using: bicycle patch kit and this polyurethane sealant. So next, I'm going to remove this, or open the bottom drawer. Don't need to remove it. There's 3 screws on the bottom of this panel. They're Torx screws, little star-shaped fasteners. One in the corner, one there in the center, and one over here in this other corner. Again, there's a close-up look at that bit. It's a Torx bit. So remove all 3 of the screws. Panels are removed. We can apply the sealant and patches. So I'm going to take one of the patches out of the bicycle patch kit, and I'm going to apply some of this polyurethane sealant. This sealant you can buy at Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, etc. And once it fully dries, it'll remain flexible and it's water resistant. I saw another gentleman on YouTube use the same product for this application, had great results. So I'm going to give it a try myself. So I'm going to do a patch on the top and here on the bottom. So I'm going to sandwich that puncture with 2 bicycle patches. And then I'm going to rub some sealant over the patches to completely cover them with the sealant. That's why I'm wearing gloves. Make sure you wear gloves and safety glasses. So I want both patches fully covered with a thin layer of that polyurethane sealant. So I'm just going to apply some more of the sealant to my glove, a little bit at a time. And again, a thin layer. I don't want it too thick because it'll take a long time to dry it and it's not necessary. I just want to make sure that both patches are completely covered. And so you figure this polyurethane sealant is meant for roof repair, so it's designed to handle heat and moisture. So that's what it looks like, and you can see the round patch underneath the sealant. I'm going to let this dry for several days. I let it dry for 5 days. So I come back after 5 days, and it's completely dry and tack-free. It's fully adhered to the door seal. You can see that. It's no longer sticky. Both top and bottom. Show you the bottom here. And it's completely dry as well. So now what we can do is go ahead and run the washing machine, do a quick test, and make sure our patch is waterproof. So turn my light on so you can see there is water coming into the wash drum. And you can see we have no more leaks underneath. Problem solved. Woo! All that's left is put that bottom panel on with the 3 screws. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments what you think about this solution. And then we'll close the drawer, and this washer is good to go. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.